morning students, welcome to our e-learning class. Today we will discuss question bank 2 of page number 34 of composite maths. So kindly take out composite maths question bank 2 page number 34. Okay, so let's start. See the first question. The first question is mark the periods of the following numbers in the Indian and international place value system. That means just you have to give the commas according to the Indian and international system. Okay. Question number 2. Observe the pattern and fill in the blank. You have to observe the pattern and then just fill the blanks. First one, 98565, then 98575, then 98585. That means the difference or the changes is in the tens place. Okay, so the next number will be 98595, like this way. See, this is question number 2, page number 34. Question number 2a. The number is 98565. Next is 98575. Next number is 98585. Okay, so the changes is in 6, then 7, then 8. That means the tens place are changing. So the next number will be 98595. Now add 1 with this number. When you are adding 1 with this number, it will be 98605. Okay, 98605, and the last blank will be 98615. Just we are adding 1 in the tens place. That's why the tens place is changing. Similarly, you will try B, C, D and E. Now the third question. Observe the periods and write the number names. That means just see where the commas are given, and according to that you write in the Indian system or in the international system. That means if after 3 digits the commas are given, then you will write in the international form. If after 3 then 222 is given, you will write in the Indian system. Clear? Now number 4, you have to write in words, and I think you all know to do it. 5 and 6, it is told that find the place values and then find the difference as well as find the sum. Okay. Now come to question number 7. In question number 7, write the place value and periods of the underlined digits. You have to write the place as well as place value and periods. Now the first one as the underlined digit is number 4. So you will write which place it is and the place value. Place value, how you will write? Just write the number. That means you will write 4, and after that you will add 5 zeros, because after that 5 digits are there. So you will add 5 zeros and then the period you will write. Now come to question number 8. Question number 8 is how many zeros are there in? You have to just write the zeros, not the numbers. Okay. Now the first is 40,000. Start counting from the ones place, ones, tens, 100, 1000, then 10,000. So 40, 10,000. That means 4, 10,000. So after 4, it will have 4 zeros. So the 40,000 will be 4 zeros. Next is 3 million. Again you will start counting ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, then million. In millions place you will write 3, and after that how many zeros are there? You will get 6 zeros. Clear? Then 9 lakh. For the 9 lakh, the same process. Start counting from the ones. You will count and you will have, or you can see there are 5 zeros. So for 9 lakh you will write 5 zeros. Similarly number D, 50 lakh. That means 5 is in the 10 lakhs place, and after that 0, 0, 0. So it will have 6 zeros. 50 lakh will have 6 zeros. Now come to question number 9. In question number 9, you have to give the symbol less than, greater than or equal to symbol. The number which is greater than, that side the symbol will be. Okay. Suppose number A. Just compare the numbers. How you will compare? First of all, see 1973, that side also 1973, then 821, and that side it is 281. So naturally 821 is the greater number, so you will write or you will give a greater than sign. Clear? Similarly, if we are taking number G, see 8756, and that side it is 89, that means 89 is greater than 87, so you will give a less than sign. That means the sign where 89 is there, you will give the sign that side, and that is called the less than sign. Clear? Similarly, you will solve the other questions of question number 9. Now come to question number 10. Question number 10 is fill in the blanks. Okay, so this is of page number 35. Question number 10. I am not writing the question since it is in your book. So just write the answers. The place value of 7. The place value of 7. Just write 7, then count the digits and add 0. It is 3, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 zeros. Okay. Now number B. The successor of 96,965 is. Now you have to write the successor. Successor means you will add 1. Clear? So this will be, when you will add 1 with 65, it will become 96,966. C. The face value of 2 in 20638. Face value means only the face. Okay, so whatever the face of 2 is, it will look like that only. So it is 2. Number D. The predecessor of this number. Predecessor means minus 1. So quickly subtract 1 from this number. The last digit is given 90. So 90 minus 1 will be 89. So rest of the numbers will be same. 1, 3, 6, 4, 8, 9. Okay. So this way you will do the predecessor and successor. Number E. It is given in the expanded form. You have to write in the smaller form or standard form. So when you will add it, you will get 60606. Okay. F. The predecessor of the smallest 7-digit number. The smallest 7-digit number's predecessor, it will naturally 9 6 times. Okay, 9 6 times. Then number G. The successor of the smallest 6-digit number. Now the successor of the smallest, that means 1 you will add with the 6-digit number. So 1 0 0 0 0 1. Next one, number H. The predecessor of the greatest 7-digit number is. Now predecessor of the greatest 7-digit number. Greatest 7-digit number means you will write 9 7 times. So predecessor minus 1, you will write the greatest 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This is the 7-digit number. Last one. The successor of the greatest 5-digit number. Again you will add 1 with that. 5-digit number will be 6-digit number. Clear? So this way you will add 1 if it is successor asked. You will minus 1 when it is asked the predecessor. Now true and false. True, false, it is very easy. Just write the statements. Whether it is true, you will write T. If it is false, you will write false. So kindly do it of your own. Turn the page in page number 36. Ascending order, descending order. You all know how to solve. Ascending order from smaller to bigger, descending order from bigger to smaller. Next, again the comparison. You will first write the international system and then write the Indian system and then compare both of that and then give the sign. Okay. Rest of the problems you have already solved in the chapter, so practice this question bags also, and in the next class we will do the next topic. So goodbye for today and be healthy. Bye all of you.